10. Tapos yung isa sariling design nila. Nakakailan na kaya siya? Champion.
And for our champion for the table napkin folding, we have BSHM 2-1.
Oh, di ba sabi sa'yo? Sabi sa'yo eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Sabi sa'yo eh. Pumunta ka na doon. Pumunta ka na doon. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Best friend ko yan! Best friend ko yan!
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Later ako nung isa pag nawala isa dyan, lalakad dyan. Pagkas nakagustos ko na nangunguya ako. May ano na... 7 competition pa ngayon, no? Hindi, 6 din. 6 sabi ko din eh.
Representative for HF Buwan, Kyla B. 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Yung pagkain ni
Okay, time's up. Please write your answer. Raise na po yung answer na pagkakapos na pinakalang sila. Pag-raise na po ng cardboard. Alright. 3 to final left dito. Okay.
May wala atang panasa si
1-1. The right answer is apple.
Let's go, Ay, kabugi. English naman pala.
Answer is everybody has the correct answer. Go.
Kain namin!
Please write your answer.
Kailan naman?
Alright. Okay.
LT.
Everybody has the right answer except HM11. The right answer is lemon. 1, 2, go. Touching the ball. Time's up. Write your answer. Please raise your cardboard. Alright, each and 1, 2, and 2, 1, and 2 get the correct answer. Go. Raise your cardboard, guys. Alright, everyone get the correct answer except HM11. The right answer is mushroom. Go.
Hello, pwedeng maging broccoli.
Time's up. Please write your answer.
Diyan na malalaman. Sabi ni.
Please raise your cardboard.
Mounted ba yan? Wrong spelling.
Okay. The right answer
Nasikot lang.
Pwede mo ilapit kung hindi mo nakapay. Lapit yung konti. Okay, time's up. Please write your answers. Alright. At this round, no one get the correct answers. The correct answer is tire power. Mukhang nahihirapan na ating mga contestants. At this round, no one has the correct answer.
Okay lang.
The answer is Beatrice is. No one has the correct answer. The right answer is Anato Power. Okay, no one gets the correct answer. And our champion for today's event. Yung hindi mo matatawa kung siya na po yung second place. Alright, our champion for today's event. From BSHM. BSHM 2-1. Ang second placer is BSHM 2-2.
Nanginginig din ako, be. Nanginginig din ako. Gagi malaglag. Duro malaglag.
Bonjour! Hello, my dear tourists! Hello, everyone! So, are you ready?
Yes!
I can hear you! Alright, that's the spirit!
Oh my
We want to extend a warm welcome to all of you. Whether you in France, or should we say, welcome to France! On behalf of 5001 Traveling Tourist General Alamo Pagumboy, my name is Alamo Pagumboy, but you can call me Belle. General Rosa Silva, my name is Rosa Silva, but you can call me Han. General Jelena Poles, my name is Jelena Poles, but you can call me. And we are your tour guides for today, and we will give you 100 of reasons for them again and again, making sure you would love to come back to the country of love, France. And before we start our tour, let's do a quick head numbers to make sure that we are all in here. Starting with you, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Perfect. We're complete. So once you hear the whistle and I raise my flag like this means that you have 20 minutes to take pictures or roam around. But if you hear the whistle twice and I raise my flag like this means that time is up, my dear tourists, and we should go back to our bus and prepare for our next destination. And please be remembered that your safety is our top priority. If you are feeling unwell, please don't hesitate to call us, call our name or raise your hand, because we have here the first aid kit on hand to help you be healthy and be safe. So are you all ready?
Yes!
I can hear you!
Yes!
Time check. It's already 8:50 in the morning, and in just 10 minutes, we will arrive at our first destination. So arriving at our first destination, welcome to the St. Chapel bus commission by King Louis IX and completed in 1248. Alright, everyone, you have 20 minutes to roam around and take pictures.
Ba't niyo sinasama si Annabelle sa picture?
Alright, everyone. everyone, time's up. Let's now head back to our bus. But before that, allow me to have a first head count. Starting with you, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Perfect. We are complete. And now, time check. It's already 9:50 a.m. and we have 30 minutes before we move on to our next destination.
Alright, our dear tourists, we have now arrived at our second destination. So Paris is known as the city of arts, with famous painting being displayed on the museum and art galleries. So if you want to be immersed in the world of art, let us now go to the Louvre Museum. So now, my dear tourists, you have 20 minutes to enjoy the Louvre Museum, take pictures, and you can go. Let us now head back to our bus, but before that, let's do a quick head count to make sure that we are all here and complete. Starting here with the audience now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, perfect, we're complete. Time check, it's already 11, and in 30 minutes we will arrive at our last destination.
Alright, dear tourists, we're here to our last destination, the Eiffel Tower. The construction of the Eiffel Tower began the preparation for the 1889 World's Fair. The competition aimed to build a 330 tall square iron tower with 125 meters section. At 107 submissions, the design by Gustave Eiffel, Maurice Geschwitz, and Emile Bullier was selected. Alright, tourists, you have only 20 minutes to roam around and take pictures. Enjoy! Come on, let's go here. Alright, tourists, time is up. Time to head back to our bus. But before that, let's do a quick head count starting from you, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10%. We're complete. Did you guys enjoy our tour for today?
Yes!
So we are glad that we enjoyed it. But before that, I am sad to say that we already reached the end of our
So sad.
If you have any questions, clarifications, or any suggestions, this dot has been to tell us. We hope to see you again. We hope you learn a lot and enjoy from our trip.
On behalf of the whole
Sabi, thank you.
we are extending our gratitude to our
Bonjour.
We hope you have a safe travel back home and remember, take nothing pictures.
Hello, you
Time. Once again, my name is Annabelle Boy, and I am Rosa Silva,
And I am Divina Moles, and we are happy to serve you. Au revoir, goodbye.
The runner-up for this competition
Let's go!
With all